Hello and welcome to another episode of Travel Info TV. In this episode, we will look at certain Indian airports that are named after famous personnel. In the previous episode, we had discussed about airports around the world that are named after famous personnel. Now, please check on the comment section on that video because there are certain minor errors in the slides that have been uploaded. But I have rectified it in the comment section. Please have a look out on that. As always, like, share and subscribe to my channel. The first airport in the session is Indira Gandhi International Airport in Indian capital New Delhi. This is named after Srimati Indira Gandhi, who was the first women Prime Minister of India, one of the most powerful women that India has ever produced. This is India's largest and busiest airport. The Kolkata International Airport is named after Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Now, he was one of the bravest sons of India who has led an armed conflict against British colonization. India's second busiest airport, Mumbai, is named after Chhatrapati Shivaji. Chhatrapati Shivaji was one of the most powerful Maratha kings. He is well known for his campaigns against Mughals and colonial aggressors from Europe. He was one of the few rulers of his time to have a powerful navy. The Hyderabad International Airport in Telangana is named after Rajiv Gandhi. Rajiv Gandhi was the son of Indian former Prime Minister Indira Gandhi and was the youngest Prime Minister that India has ever had. He himself was a trained and licensed pilot before joining politics. The Bengaluru airport is named after Kempe Gowda. Kempe Gowda was one of the successful and highly educated rulers under the Vijayanagara Empire. He was also a Yakshagana composer. He is well known otherwise for his various construction, water conservation and societal reforms projects. Nagpur Airport in Indian state of Maharashtra is named after Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. Ambedkar was an Indian economist, politician, jurist and social reformer. He was the chief architect of Indian Constitution. He had multiple doctorates from various foreign universities. He was a polymath with expertise in law, political science and economics. Ahmedabad Airport in the Indian state of Gujarat is named after Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Sardar Patel was one of the leading figures of Indian struggle for independence and was the first Deputy Prime Minister of independent India. He was the chief person behind the integration of princely states into the newly independent India. For this huge achievement, he is well known as the Iron Man of India. The Varanasi Airport in UP is named after Sri Lal Bahadur Shastri. Sri Shastri was India's second Prime Minister and a famed Indian politician. He was also a freedom fighter. He is otherwise well known for the promotion of white and green revolution, popularizing dairy and agricultural produce respectively. UP's capital city Lucknow has named their airport after Chaudhry Charan Singh. Chaudhry Charan Singh was India's fifth Prime Minister. He was also a part of Indian national movement, being active in Arya Samaj and Indian National Congress. He was famously referred to as the champion of Indian peasants. The city of Bhubaneswar, the capital of Odisha, has the Biju Patnaik International Airport. Now, the airport is rightly named after Mr. Biju Patnaik, who was a politician, civilian and military aviator, businessman and socialist. He was twice elected the Chief Minister of Odisha. Bhopal, the capital of Madhya Pradesh, has named their airport after Raja Bhoj. Raja Bhoj was an Indian king under the Paramara dynasty. He was well known for his patronizing of famous personnel in science, literature and arts. He himself was a learned person with knowledge across different disciplines and a good number of books to his account. The Sikh holy city of Amritsar has named their airport after Sri Guru Ram Das Ji. He was the fourth of the 10 holy gurus of Sikhism. He was a famous composer and poet, having written a good portion of the Guru Granth Sahib. He is thought to have developed Amritsar in Sikh tradition into a major city. The Guwahati Airport in Assam has named their airport after Gopinath Bordoloi. Gopinath Bordoloi was a Gandhian, politician and a freedom fighter. He was the first Chief Minister of Assam. Because of his selfless service, he is famously referred to as Lokapriya. The Srinagar Airport is named after Sheikh Nuruddin Noorani. He was a Kashmiri poet, preacher and a Sufi saint. He was an advocate of religious harmony and has a lot of small poems to his name. The Veer Savarkar Airport is situated in Port Blair, the capital of the Andamans. Vinayak Damodar Savarkar was the most iconic prisoner that was held in the Cellular Jail in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. He was a figure in the Indian national movement, Hindu nationalist, and a prominent member of Hindu Mahasabha. The capital of Bihar, Patna, has named their airport after Jayaprakash Narayan. Jayaprakash Narayan is otherwise known as JP or Lok Nayak. He is well known as a hero of Quit India movement. He is a recipient of Magsaysay and Bharat Ratna awards. He was an independent activist, socialist, a social reformer, and a politician. The capital of Chhattisgarh, Raipur, has named their airport after Swami Vivekananda. Swami Vivekananda was an Indian monk who contributed largely to Indian nationalism, revival of Hinduism, yoga, and Vedanta. He is well known globally for his powerful speech at the Parliament of World Religions in Chicago in 1893. He was a founder of Ramakrishna Mutt and Ramakrishna Mission. The Leh Airport in Ladakh is named after Kushok Bakula Rinpoche. Now, the Leh Airport is one of the highest airfields of the entire world at an altitude of more than 3,200 meters. It has one of the most scenic approaches in the entire world. Kushok Bakula Rinpoche is the 13th Dalai Lama for Buddhists. He was the Indian ambassador to Mongolia. He is well known for his efforts to revive Buddhism outside of India also, and for his social reform works within India. He was also a parliamentarian and a Padma awardee. The capital of Jharkhand, Ranchi, has named their airport after Birsa Munda. Birsa Munda is one of India's most renowned tribal freedom fighters and religious leaders. He united various tribes against the British presidency of Bengal. He is the only tribal leader to have his portrait hung in his honor in India's Parliament Museum. The historic city of Udaipur in Rajasthan has named their airport after Maharana Pratap. Maharana Pratap was a king of Mewar, which is part of the current-day Rajasthan. He is famous for his many battles with the Mughals and his bravery. The Indore Airport in Madhya Pradesh is named after Devi Ahilya Bai Holkar. She was a queen of the Maratha Malwa kingdom. She was a brave lady, having led armies personally into battle. She was also a renowned builder of Hindu temples and many dharmashalas. Asansol is one of the largest cities in West Bengal. They have named their airport after Qazi Nazrul Islam. Nazrul Islam was a Bengali poet, writer, musician, a social and political activist. He is also the national poet of Bangladesh. I hope the video and the information provided was useful and enjoyable to all of you. Please like, share and subscribe to Travel Info TV. Till next time, bye bye.